Very good morning, students. Today, let me solve the problem which I already gave you yesterday. Yesterday, two problems I gave you on the preparation of partners' capital account under fixed capital system and fluctuating capital system. And the first problem is relating to the partners A and B. Right? They are having a capital of rupees 7,50,000 and 5,00,000 rupees respectively. They share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2, and other information is given. Other information of the partners during the year is given. That is, they have introduced additional capital of rupees 1,50,000 and 1 lakh during the year, and interest on capital is charged at the rate of 10% per annum. Drawings of the partner during the year is 15,000, 10,000, and interest on drawings of the partner 900 and 600, and salary of the partner A is 10,000, commission of the partner A 5,000, B 3,500, and the share of loss during the year is 30,000 and 20,000. So this is the information given regarding or about Mr. A and B, who are the partners in a partnership firm, and from this information you have to prepare you have to prepare partners capital account under both the system, fluctuating capital system and fixed capital system. And in the previous class I have explained you about the preparation of partners capital account under fixed capital and fluctuating capital system. Fixed capital system means capital remains fixed unless additional capital or capital is withdrawn. Other adjustments are made in the partner's current account. In the fluctuating capital system, capital fluctuates or changes every year because the adjustments like interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, commission, share of profit or loss are made in the partner's capital account. So, you know the items which are taken in the capital account of the partner and current account of the partner. What are the items credited to partner's capital account and what are the items debited partner's capital account in case of fixed capital system and fluctuating capital system, and what are the items credited to current account, right? And what are the items debited to partner's current account. So, with those information, you have to prepare profit and loss. You have to prepare partners capital account. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪಾಲುದಾರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಲು ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳು ಏನಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತವೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಂದ್ರೇನು, ಪಾಲುದಾರರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಕೆಲವು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸು, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಪಾಲುದಾರರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಗ್ತವೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, they are having a capital of rupees 7,50,000 and 5 lakh. They are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 3:2 ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಕೆಲವು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳ 1,50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎ, 1,00,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ 10% ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ, 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 900, 600 ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 10,000 ಇದೆ. ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಎಸ್ 5,000, ಬಿ 3,500. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಯರ್, ಅವರ ಆ ವರ್ಷದ ಲಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಪಾಲು 30,000, 20,000 ಇದೆ. ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ capital under fluctuating capital method. The fluctuating capital method. So fluctuating capital method alli only one account you have to prepare, that is partners capital account. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, partners capital account. partners capital account. partners capital account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ partners capital account ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ partners capital account ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 partners capital account ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. Or separately you can prepare partners capital account. That is A's capital account separate, B's capital account separate. Or in one account you can show the partners A and B. ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಮತ್ತು B ಕಾಲ್ದಾದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. Or separately also you can prepare. You can prepare separately. Right? Partners capital account under fluctuating capital system. Draw the columns for partners, preparation of partners capital account. Right? Now you know that the items which are to be credited to partners capital account and the items which are to be debited to partners capital account. Whatever amount which is added to the partner's capital, that is the amount which belongs to the partner, is added or credited. The amount which is to be deducted from capital, that is the amount which the partner has to pay to the partnership firm, is debited to partner's capital account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು. ಪಾಲುದಾರರು ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಪಡೆಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಣ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಹಣ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಪಾಲುದಾರರು ಪಾಲುದಾರಿಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಹಣ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್. ರೈಟ್? ಪಾಲುದಾರರಿಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡದಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿಯನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಸಹ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್, ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಡೆಡ್. ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಬಂದಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ current capital account. So here you can prepare partners current capital account. First you have to credit the capital balance of the partners. The balance of the partners rupees the opening balance. Balance means it is opening balance. They are having a balance of rupees A 7,50,000, B 5 lakhs. Capital balance of the partner is A 7,50,000, B rupees 5 lakhs. Right? And the other item means additional capital if there is any, interest on capital if there is any, salary if there is any, commission if there is any, share of profit if there is any, is created. Create ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು capital balance, additional capital, salary, interest on capital, ಆಮೇಲೆ commission to the partners. Or share of profit. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. So, if you observe the example here, the partners introduced an additional capital of rupees 1,50,000 and 1 lakh in on 1st July 2018. Ibru ಪಾಲ್ದಾರರು they introduced extra capital, fresh capital, additional capital in the year on 1st July 2018. A 1,50,000, B rupees 1 lakh. So additional capital introduced is debited to bank account, credited to capital account. By bank, additional capital introduced. Isn't it? So, additional capital introduced is 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. 1,50,000 and 1 lakh is the additional capital. So, what is created? Once again, what is created? Interest on capital is created. So, interest on capital is charged at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital. So partners suppose allow interest on capital, right? As per the partnership deed or partnership agreement, interest on capital should be charged to the, credited to partners capital account. ಪಾಲ್ದಾರರ ಬಂಡವಾಳದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆಯುವಂತ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ತಾವು ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತ ಬಂಡವಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ opening capital is 7,50,000 and 5 lakh. Additional capital is 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. So interest on capital is charged on both because the date of additional capital introduced is given 1/7/2018. ಇಲ್ಲಿ interest on capital ಏನು? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲ್ದಾರರು ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತ ಬಂಡವಾಳದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಸಹ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. It is calculated from the date of additional capital till the end of the year. Additional capital ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೋ ಆ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ವರೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಲ್ದಾರರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ 7,50,000 for full year at the rate of 10%. That is 7,75,000. And on additional capital 1,50,000 at the rate of 10% from 1/7/2018 to 31st March 2019. At the end of the year is 31st March 2019. If you observe the information, the profits of the loss for the year is loss for the year 2018 and 19. That means the current year is 2018 and 19. Therefore, the additional capital introduced is 1st July 2018. From 1st July 2018 to 31st March 2019, you have to calculate interest. Additional capital ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳವನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1/7/2018 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1/7/2018 ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1/7/2018 31 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 19 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 18 and 19. ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಇಸ್ 18 and 19. It means the current year is 18 and 19. So 18 and 19 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ end of the year is 31st March 2019. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ from 1st July 2018 to 31st March 2019, how many months you have to calculate? So you have to calculate from 1st July to 1st August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 1st March, 31st March. For 9 months you have to calculate interest year. 9 months. So 9 months means the right. Nine months means it is 10,250 total. Total interest on 9 months. Therefore, total interest is 85,250. So total interest on capital is 85,250. So 11 months is 11 months. It is not 85,000. 11,000. So 11,250. So total interest is 86,250. Not the 86,250. So for 77,50,000, 10% for full year, 75,000. On 1,50,000, 10% for 9 months, 11,250. Total interest on capital is 86,250 on Mr. A's interest on capital. 86,250. You can take, you have to show in note number 1. You can show this in note number 1. Right? After the problem, you can calculate. Roughly, you can calculate here. Note number 1, 86,250. Similarly, calculate interest on capital on B. B's opening capital is how much? 5 lakhs. At the rate of 10% for full year, it is 50,000. And B's additional capital is 1 lakh. So additional capital at the rate of 10%, same. From 1st July to 31st March, same for 9 months again. For 9 months. So it will be right, 7,500. Therefore, total interest on capital of Mr. B is 57,500. B's capital on beginning of the year. At the beginning of the year is 5 lakhs. So, opening capital, calculate 10% for full year. On opening capital, calculate 10% for full year. It is 5 lakh, 10% is 50,000. Additional capital, 1 lakh rupees hakidane. On 1/7/2018, from 1/7/2018 to 31st March 2018, on 1 lakh at the rate of 10% for 9 months, it comes to 7,500. So total interest on capital is 57,500. You can show this in the note. In the calculation, you can show it in note. Not only on the calculator. 57,500 and 86,250. Right? Interest on capital. Similarly, the partners are entitled to get salary of rupees. So yes, A entitles to a salary of rupees. Drawings of the partners. Drawing for the partner is 15,000 and 10,000. The drawing is debited to partner's capital account. Drawings for the partner debited 15,000 A, 10,000 Mr. B. Drawing is there, 15,000, 10,000. Interest on drawing is also debited. Interest on drawing rupees. Interest on drawing it is given. Interest on drawing for the partner A rupees 900, B rupees 600, 900 and 600. Similarly, the salary to the partner is credited to partner's capital accounts. Only A is entitled to a salary of rupees 10,000. Commission to the partners A and B. Commission to the partners. Commission to the partners A rupees 5,000, B rupees 3,500. A 5,000, B 3,500. Right? So, interest on capital, salary, commission, and share of profit if there is any is credited, and share of loss is there. The share of loss in the year. Loss means it is debited to, right? What does profit and loss appropriation account? It is share of loss during the year is 30,000 A, 20,000 B. So these are the amount you have to show in the partner's capital account. Viಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Opening capital, additional capital, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit if there is created, drawings, interest on drawings, losses if there is any are debited. Now find out the balance difference. Difference will be the closing balance of capital. Difference is the closing balance of capital 6,61,000. B's total capital total. So A's total is A's total is right 10,01,250. 10,01,250. 10,01,250. 9. So 10,01,250. 10,01,250. 6,61,000 is the total. Right? So the balance should be here. The balance should be 6,30,400. 6,30,400. And the balance of A here is A's balance is 9,55,350. So 9,55,350 is the closing balance of capital A. 6,30,400. Now this is the balance at the beginning of the year. This will be the balance 9,55,350. 6,30,400. Right? This calculation, this is how you have to prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method. Right? You can show the calculation of interest on capital here. interest on capital of Mr. A and B. We have calculated 86,250, 57,500. In note 1, you can show interest on capital. Right? Write down this. Write down this. The preparation of partners capital account. Isn't it? So, note 1, we can show in note number 1, interest on capital. Note 1, calculation of interest on capital. Interest on capital of A. Yes, opening balance is opening capital is 7,50,000, 10%, 75,000. Right? 75,000. On additional capital is 1,50,000, 10% for 9 months. Additional capital is on 1/7/2018. Additional capital is on 1/7/2018. Therefore, additional capital 11,250. 11,250. So total interest on capital of A is 86,250, and B's opening capital is 5 lakh. On 5 lakh, 10% for full year 50,000. Yes, B's additional capital. B introduces additional capital on same date, 1/7/2018, 1 lakh rupees at the rate of 10% for 9 months. Right? So, interest on capital of B is on additional capital 7,500. So, total interest on capital is 57,500. 57,500. So, the drawings are debited, interest on drawings is credited. So, this note you can show. You can show the interest on capital. That is how you have to prepare partners capital account. This is the fluctuating capital method. This is how you have to prepare fluctuating capital method, showing all the items, showing all the adjustments, interest on capital, drawings, salary, interest on drawings, commission, share of profit. Everything is adjusted in the partners capital account itself. That is fluctuating capital method. And second method is you have to prepare, right? The second method, fixed capital method. As you already know that in case of fixed capital method, right? Two accounts are prepared. One is capital account, another one is partner's current account. The purpose of preparing current account is all the adjustments should be made in the current account itself. Therefore, under fixed capital method, two accounts are prepared, capital account and current account. Fixed capital ಎರಡನೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಯಾವುದು? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು solve this problem under fixed capital system, you have to prepare two accounts. One is partners capital account. Prepare partners capital account, right? Prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account A and B. Only one entry will be there. That is opening capital and additional capital. No other entry will be there in the capital account of the partners under fixed capital system. It is because the adjustments are made in the partners current account itself. All other adjustments are made in the partners current account. Additional capital, interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, salary, commission, everything is made in the partners current account. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ if you prepare partners capital account, the entries will be only on opening capital, additional capital or capital withdrawals. Right? Therefore, in the fixed capital system, first you have to credit the balance. Opening balance of capital. Opening balance of capital is 7,50,000 and 5 lakhs. Capital is opening balance is credited to partners capital account 7,50,000 and 5 lakhs. And additional capital is, if there is any, is credited to partners capital account. Additional capital. Capital withdrawals if there is any, debited to partners capital account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಎರಡೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, if the partner withdraws some part of the capital, then it is debited to partners capital account. Now, additional capital is created, capital withdrawals is debited. So here there is additional capital by bank. Additional capital is credited. It is additional capitals of the partners. A rupees 1,50,000 and B rupees 1 lakh. Additional capital is created. Only two entries in this case. Opening capital and additional capital. There is no capital withdrawals, right? Drawings given is not capital withdrawn. It is the other than capital withdrawn. Therefore, it is not taken in the partner's capital account. If capital drawings consists of, if drawings are the capital drawings, if the drawings are the amount withdrawn from capital, then it should be taken in the capital account. Otherwise, it is not to be. It is not specifically given drawing whether drawings are capital drawings or not. Drawings ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಾನು, we have to assume ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು assumption ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ drawings are other than capital, therefore it is not taken in the capital account. If drawings are capital drawings, then it should be debited to partners capital account. So here there is no entries, therefore balance of capital here is 6 lakh and 9 lakh. 6 lakh and 9 lakh. Therefore, balance of capital is to balance carried on, and this will be the balance at the beginning of the next year. Beginning of the next year, the opening balance 9 lakh, closing opening balance 6 lakhs, A and B. This is capital account in the case of fluctuating capital method. Sorry, not fluctuating. This is the capital account in the fixed capital method. Sorry, in the fixed capital method. Capital account under fixed capital method. Right? Now we have to prepare another account here. Another account under fixed capital method, that is current account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ prepared to show or to record all other adjustments. ಅದು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು other adjustments are made in the partner's capital account, the current account. See, it is very simple. Other than capital, other than additional capital, other than capital withdrawals, whatever entries are there in the capital account under fluctuating capital method, same entries are shown in the partner's current account. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಸಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, if you prepare partners current account, if you prepare partners current account, right? If you prepare partners current account is prepared the same way, right? But you have to show only other items, that is other than capitals, other than opening capital, additional capital, all other items are taken in the current account. Opening capital, additional capital ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್, ರೈಟ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. So here you have to take the balance of, so there is no balance here, interest on capital. Interest on capital. If there is any current account balance is there, that should be taken. Current account balance. If trade balance is there, you have to credit to current account. If debit balance is there, you have to debit to current account. Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. Interest on capital, as you have already calculated here, interest on capital we have already calculated 86,250, 57,500, 86,250, 57,500. That is interest on capitals of A and B on opening capital as well as additional capital. Similarly, salary drawings are debited here. Drawings are debited to partners current account. Drawings of the partners are rupees. Drawings of A is 15,000, B 10,000. Drawings of A 15,000, B 10,000. Similarly, interest on drawing is debited to partners current account, right? Debited to partners current account 900 and 600. 900 and 600. Right? Salary commission is credited to partners current account. Salary to Mr. A is 10,000. Commission to Mr. A and B. Commission to Mr. A and B. Commission to A is 5,000 and 3,500. 5,000 to Mr. A, 3,500 to Mr. B, and there is a loss during the year. Loss is debited. Profit, if there is any, is credited. Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account loss in the current year is shared between A 30,000, B 20,000. So these are the entries you have to show in the partner's current account. Except capital, all other entries should be shown in the capital account. Sorry, current account. So ಇದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You can identify, find out the difference here in the current account except capital, opening capital, additional capital. All other entries are taken. All other adjustments are made. Capital ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್, ರೈಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, share of loss, right, is created. Now find out the difference here, find out the balance. The balance will be the closing balance. $61,000 is the total. 61,000 and 1,0250 is the total of A and B, right? 1,01,250 and 61,000. 1,01,250 and 61,000. So the difference here is B's current account balance is 30,400. A's current account balance should be 55,250. This is the closing balance. This is the closing balance, and this will be the opening balance in the next year. This is the opening balance next year. 55,350, 30,400. 55,350, 30,400. So current account balance need not always be a credit balance. It may be a debit balance also. Current account balance ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸೇ ಇರಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ and current account of the partners, fluctuating capital method and the fixed capital method, isn't it? So take on this, and another problem is also given here. Another problem is also given. This is also very simple. X and Y, right? Another problem what is really X and Y, right? In this example, X and Y are partners with capital rupees 2 lakhs and 1 lakh, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They agree to show how the following transactions are recorded in the capital accounts of the partner if the capitals are fixed. If the capitals are fixed, you have to show the capital account of the partners. Interest on capital is 10%, drawing is to 20,000, 10,000. Interest on drawing is 1,600 and 800. Salary of X is, right, 6,000. Share of profit of 40,000 and 20,000. Now, in the same example, the same manner you have to prepare here. It is fixed capital system, it is asked, so you have to show two accounts. Fixed capital system ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು capital account of the partners and current account of the partners. Second example, if you do second example, in the second example also, First you have to prepare partners capital account. Prepare partners capital account, then partners current account. Isn't it? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Partners capital account. The partners are X and Y. The partners are X and Y. So fixed capital, as it is asked to prepare partners capital account under fixed capital system, right? You have to prepare partners capital account under fixed capital system by preparing capital account and partners current account, isn't it? So first prepare partners capital account, partners capital account. Prepare partners capital account, isn't it? So in the capital account, as you know, opening balance is there, created. Additional capital account, if there is any, is created. Capital withdrawals, if there is any, is debited. Capital account ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾವಲ್ಸ್ if there is any, is debited. So here X and Y are partners with capitals of 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Opening capital of the partner is 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Opening capital is credited to partners capital account. Balance brought down 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Isn't it? 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. And if any additional capital, right? If any additional capital that is to be created, there is no additional capital in this case. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ additional capital ಇಲ್ಲ. additional capital ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. capital withdrawals ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here there is no capital withdrawals. So capital for the partner is same, 2 lakhs at the end of the year also. Total capital balance is 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. This is 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Now this is the capital balance at the end of the year, and this will be the balance at the beginning of the next year. 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Here there is no change in the capital because capital fixed here. Capital is fixed because no adjustments are made to the capital account. There is no additional capital, and also there is no capital withdrawals. Capital ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Right? Another account we have to prepare. Here is partners current account. Partners current account. Partners current account. So in the partners current account, you have to show all other adjustments. All other adjustments are to be made in the partners current account. So other adjustment means the interest on capital, right? Salary, commission, all these adjustments are made in the partners current account. Draw the columns for partners current account. Then draw the columns for partners current account, and same item is salary is created, interest on capital if there is any is created, commission if there is any is created, share of profit is created, right? Drawings are debited, interest on drawings are debited, share of loss if there is any is debited. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ is you have to calculate here. Interest on capital for the partners at the rate of 10% on opening capital only. In this case only on opening capital 10% means it is, can show later, 20,000 and 10,000. 10% on 2 lakh 20,000, 10% on 1 lakh 10,000, right? Interest on capital is 20,000 and 10,000 because it is calculated only on the opening balance. There is no additional capital and there is no capital withdrawals. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 10% ಆನ್ 2 lakh ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20,000, 10% ಆನ್ 1 lakh ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10,000, right? Then you have to take drawings rupees 20,000, 10,000. Drawings are debited. Drawings on the partners rupees 20,000, 10,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Drawings debited to partners current account. Drawings are debited. Interest on drawing if there is any is debited. So interest on drawing is also given. Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing rupees. Interest on drawing rupees 1,600 and 800. 1,600 and 800. Interest on drawing is debited. Similarly, other items. Salary to Mr. X 6,000. Salary is credited. Salary is credited 6,000. Right? And share of profit in the current year. Share of profit is profit and loss appropriation account. Profit share rupees X rupees 40,000, Y rupees 20,000, 40,000 and 20,000, isn't it? So these items are taken in the current account. No other items. Salary, interest on capital, share of profit is created. Drawings, interest on drawing is debited, right? So here, find out the difference, find out the balance here, find out the balance, right? The balance will be either debit or credit. It's not compulsory. So total credit side total is 30,000 Y and 66,000 X. 66,000 X, 66,000 and 30,000. So the difference is 19,200, 44,400, 19,200 and 44,400. This is the closing balance of partners current account, and this balance will be the opening balance in the next year. So opening balance is 44,400 and 19,200. 44,400 and 19,200. Now you can show the calculation of interest on capital. Interest on capital. X is capital is 2 lakh, 10%, 20,000. Y's capital is 1 lakh, 10% is equal to 10,000. So calculation if needed, you have to show the calculations also. Interest on capital is 20,000 X and 10,000 Y. So interest on capital is calculated on the opening balance because there is no additional capital and there is no withdrawal. So this is how you have to prepare partners current account and capital account under fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, isn't it? Now you can also prepare the same example on under fluctuating capital method. Prepare partners capital account under fluctuate. You can do at home. You can take as a homework here, right? Prepare partners capital account under with the same example. Prepare partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೇನೋ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ this is how you have to prepare partners capital account under fixed capital and fluctuating capital, and this will be actually there is no problem on fixed and fluctuating, but a practical oriented question will be asked on this. Idra mele ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Practical oriented question. How practical oriented question is asked here? Practical oriented question will be asked: prepare a partners current account under fixed capital system. Two partners current account under fixed capital system with imaginary figures. Or prepare partners when any two partners capital account under fluctuating capital method, with imaginary figures. In that case, you have to prepare partners current account with your own figures. Whatever item if you take, you have to use your own amount. Figure means amount. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ this capital account you have to prepare in all the other chapters: admission, retirement and death of a partner. ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we will work out some examples on the preparation of partners capital account and current account, for practical oriented questions. And on this example you have to prepare partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. You have to take as homework, isn't it? So it is sufficient today. That means you have learned here, you have studied here preparation of partners capital account under fluctuating capital method, preparation of partners capital account under fixed capital method. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ and what are the items debited to partners capital account. If you remember that, you can easily what is called as ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನೆನಪಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೋದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೋದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್, you can easily prepare capital account, right? So it is sufficient today, and thank you for your observation or watching.